Myself Ankita Joshi. Welcome students to our social science class. Today we will start our new lesson in civics. Lesson number 15, Government. So in this lesson we will study about different types of government in our country. There are three types of government in our country. They are democratic government, communist government and monarchy. Okay, now we are in democratic government. where is this democratic government? कहाँ पे होता है? इंडिया, पाकिस्तान, यूएसए. Okay, and democracy means क्या होता है? It's of the people, by the people and for the people. I will explain you in detail, but I'm just telling you what is democratic government. कहाँ पे होगा? India, Pakistan, USA, and communist government. It is in China, Cuba, North Korea, and monarchy is in England, as is King Victoria, and in Bhutan also, and in many other countries also there is different types of government. Now we'll start our lesson. I hope you have taken out the textbook, and I will explain you the lesson. Our country India is the largest democracy in the world. As you know that our country India is the largest democracy in the world. Eldest due to administration and management of the home. In our home, who do management? Elders. जो हमारे बड़े हैं वही हमारे घर में सब मैनेजमेंट करते हैं. So like that we need government. So elders do the administrations and management of the home. Similarly, the administrations of a country is done by the government. In same way, the administration of country is done by the government. We hear the word government in the daily newspapers, televisions, or in the conversations. As we know that we every day in the news and channels, in TV channels, in news also we hear about government. Something news is come only about government. So we hear the word government in daily newspapers, televisions, or in the conversations. Government is needed to run the administrations of the nations and to take decisions. Now here, why do we need government? हमें government की जरूरत क्यों होती है? So government is needed to run the administrations of the nations, to run the administration of the nations, and also to take the decisions. Also we need government. Government works in the planned way for the development of the country. How the government work? So government work in the planned way, in the systematic way, in the planned way for what? For the development of the country. Keeping constitutions in mind for nations, reformations and implementations is done by the government. The government of a country is elected through the voting by people. How is government done in your country? आपने देखा होगा कि हम लोग गवर्नमेंट कैसे बनाते हैं. So in the elections we vote. हम लोग इलेक्शन में क्या करते हैं? हम रिप्रेजेंटेटिव जो भी कैंडिडेट खड़ा होता है इलेक्शन में उनको वोट करते हैं. So after elections by voting we choose the government. Now again I'm telling you वो गवर्नमेंट क्यों चाहिए हमें कि हमारे कंट्रीज में अब जैसे अभी कोविड-19 हुआ तो उसके लिए हमें जो रूल्स फॉलो करने हैं वो कौन करेगा? हमारा गवर्नमेंट. मास्क पहनना है, बाहर नहीं जाना है, हमें जो सैनिटाइजर यूज करना है, बार बार हैंड वॉश करते रहना है. तो इस रूल्स हमारे किसने बनाए? हमारे गवर्नमेंट ने. So government is needed to run the administrations of the nations and to take decisions. वो डिसीजन लेती है हमारे लिए ही लेती है. So the government needed to run the administrations of the nations and to take the decisions. Now here in the 15.1 you are seeing cutting of newspapers is there in your page. उसमें आपने देखा होगा हर चीज गवर्नमेंट के बारे में आई है कि आज गवर्नमेंट में क्या हुआ, आज गवर्नमेंट ने कौन सा नया रूल निकाला है. Everything details, every day newspapers we see about different news about government. Seeing the pictures we can know about various functions, decisions and advertisement of the government. I've told you in 15.1 जो आपको cutting of newspaper का पेज दिया हुआ है उसमें पिक्चर दिया हुआ है. इसमें देख रहे होंगे आप लोग there are different types of various functions, decisions and advertisement of the government is given. We can get information about various functions of government by reading daily newspapers and magazines available in our surroundings. So how do we get the functions about government? Government ने क्या किया वो कैसे पता चलता है हमको? About जब हम लोग न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हैं, when we read the newspaper we get this informations. And in televisions also, from television also we can get the every messages about government. Democracy means, democracy का meaning क्या होता है? What do you mean by democracy? So democracy means of the people, by the people and for the people. It is most important definitions for you, so you have to learn this. What is democracy means? So democracy means, I have told you, democratic government क्या होगा? What do you mean by democracy? Of the people, by the people and for the people. अब वो कहाँ पे होता है? In India, Pakistan and USA. So here democracy means of the people means लोगों की गवर्नमेंट, हमारी गवर्नमेंट है. So by the people means जनता से ही बनाई हुई गवर्नमेंट है, हम लोग खुद चूज करते गवर्नमेंट को. And for the people means लोगों के लिए, हमारे लिए गवर्नमेंट है. So democracy means of the people, by the people and for the people. In democratic system of governance, governments hold the foremost place. So now our country, our government. Now we see about our country. हमारी country में कौन सी government है? Democratic government. Okay. So our country, our government, our country is a country of diversity. As we have earlier studied about in lesson number 14, diversity in India. So that in that chapter we have seen that there are different diversities in our country. So our country is a country of diversity. Different types of languages are there, peoples are there, religions is there. So our country is a country of diversities. Ours is the largest democracy in the world with the maximum numbers of voters. हमारी country सबसे बड़ी democracy क्यों है? Largest democracy क्यों है? Because with the maximum number of voters are there. Due to the vastness and diversity of country, it is difficult to manage from one place. So here हमारी country बहुत बड़ी है, India बहुत बड़ी country and diversity is also there. More so due to vastness and diversity of country, it is very difficult to manage from one place. एक ही place पे रह के सब कुछ manage करना easy नहीं होता है. So due to vastness and diversities of country, it is difficult to manage from one place. एक ही place पे रह के manage हो सकता है? No. So that's why government works at various levels to administer smoothly against some problems and difficulties. So that's why the government works at various levels to administer smoothly against some problems. इसलिए गवर्नमेंट क्या करती है? अलग अलग लेवल्स पे काम करती है एंड द प्रॉब्लम्स होती है, जो डिफिकल्टीज है वो हमारी सॉल्व करती है. लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एंड सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट वर्क इन द डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम ऑफ गवर्नेंस. Here now, what types of governments are there? Local self-government, state level government and central government in the democratic system of governance. In the democratic system of governance, there are three types of government: local self, state government and central government. Now we will study about that. The way the local government works, state government work and central government. In the page number 25, one block is given to you. So just look at local government कहाँ काम करेगी? It's take the charge of village or city. Local government it will take the charge of village or city. इन गांव के अंदर आपने देखा होगा ग्राम पंचायत होती है. So वहाँ पे कौन सी गवर्नमेंट होती है? Local government. So local government take charge of village or city. State government take the charge of states. Takes the charge of entire state. पूरा स्टेट का चार्ज लेती है. स्टेट गवर्नमेंट जैसे हमारी गुजरात स्टेट की स्टेट है, तो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट कौन क्या करेगा? तो टेक चार्ज ऑफ एंटायर स्टेट्स. एंड सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट टेक द चार्ज ऑफ एंटायर नेशंस. ओके, एंड दिस ऑल आर फॉर्म थ्रू द इलेक्शन. ये सब गवर्नमेंट कैसे बनेगी? आफ्टर थ्रू द इलेक्शंस and from through the election only. So here government is necessary at various levels. हमारी government necessary, it is necessary to form the government at various levels. These ways of governances are very useful for formations and implementations of rules. As we know, it is very important for implementations of rules. We have learnt about government and its various levels. Now we have learnt about government also and the levels also. That local government, state government and central government, these are levels of it. These levels are useful for development and maintenance of law and orders. So why these levels are useful? Why these levels are needed? So they are useful for development and maintenance of law and orders. Democratic system has been adopted in our country. In our country, it is democratic system. India में कौन सी system है? Democratic system. Again I'm telling you, in India there is democratic system. So क्योंकि हम लोग खुद रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को वोट देते हैं और खुद गवर्नमेंट बनाते हैं. So democratic system has been adopted in our country. In the context of government and governance, depending on its structure, variations are seen in governance system. Now here I've told about the type of government. Now we will see types of government. Our country has a democratic system of governance. Earlier only I told you that in our country we have democratic system. All the countries in the world do not have democratic system. All the country in the world, they do not have democratic system. So let us understand the types of government found in the various systems operating in the countries around the world. Now we'll see about in the world which types of countries, which types of system is there. So first democratic system. Now here in democratic system में क्या होता है, कहाँ पे होता है? India, Pakistan and USA. In this system of government, people elect their representatives through voting. So I told you that democracy means क्या होता है? Of the people, by the people and for the people. हम लोग खुद अपना representative choose करते हैं, उनको वोट देते हैं and then they become the candidate of government. So in this system of government, people elect their representatives through voting. So in this system, people elect their representative through voting. हम वोट करके अपना representative choose करते हैं. The government is formed by winning the candidates. Government functions keeping the public in center in the democracy. Now the government is formed by the winning candidate. जिसको वोट किया, तो उसको जिसके हाईएस्ट वोटिंग होंगे, वो क्या होगा, जो विनिंग होगा. So it will become government. So the government is the formed by winning candidate. जो कैंडिडेट जीता होगा वो रहेगा इसमें पार्टीज में. So government functions keeping the public in the center. Government functions में कौन सेंटर में होता है? Public. So in this government functions keeping the public in center. We are in the center. So keeping the public in center in the democracy. Local government, state government and central government are formed through the elections. So local government, state government and central government are formed through the election. After that local government बनेगी, election के बाद local government बनती है, फिर state governments बनेगी and then central governments are formed through the elections. In some countries, chief minister or prime minister is elected by the elected representatives in the democracy. Now here chief minister of Gujarat, Mr. Vijay Rupani, and the prime minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi. So now they are elected. When we give the votes to the, जब हम लोग वोटिंग करते हैं तो फिर वो पार्लियामेंट्स में जाएंगे, फिर वो जो इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है, जो जीत चुके कैंडिडेट्स है, वो लोग वोट करते हैं और उसमें से चूज होता है चीफ मिनिस्टर एंड प्राइम मिनिस्टर. सो इन सम कंट्री चीफ मिनिस्टर्स और प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज इलेक्टेड बाय द इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स, and in democracy. In some countries of the world, presidential democracy is seen. So now here, in some countries of the world, which democracy is there? Presidential democracy is there. You see, in India there is a parliamentary democracy. In our India, which democracy is there? In India there is a parliamentary democracy. Please be alert over here. It can be asked in the fill in the blanks also and question answers also, that in India which democracy is there? So in India there is a parliamentary democracy. Parliamentary democracy कैसे है? जैसे लोकसभा, विधानसभा होती है. So where elected members are there, जो elected members है वहाँ बैठे होते हैं and then they will do the voting and they choose their CM and PM. वो लोग choose करते हैं हमारा CM कौन है बनेगा and PM. So वो मीटिंग कहाँ पे होती है? In the parliament. So parliamentary democracy. The main role कौन होगा हमारे parliamentary democracy? In our India, the main role is of prime minister. So your democracy, parliamentary system is there and presidential system is there. In parliamentary is in India and the main role is our prime minister. And in presidential system, in the presidential main role is of president. In presidential system, in the presidential main role is of president and is in USA. So till here, I hope you're clear. Now here in the next paragraph, it is said for democracy that government is run by the people directly or indirectly through elections. Now here in democracy, what happened? The government is run by the people. Government किससे चलती है? People से चलती है, लोगों से चलती है, हमारे से चलती है. So it is said that for the democracy, that government is run by the people directly or indirectly. Directly means we vote, we choose them, and indirectly means through the voting, we do votings to them. So indirectly through the elections. Now here there is no alternative of democracy for the protections and promotions of human rights. Thus, democratic government is very important for all around development and rights of the people. So democratic government is very important for developments and the rights for the people. Now here, if you choose the government for 5 years, government is for 5 years, 5 साल वो government चलेगी, जिसको हम choose करते हैं representative को, जो representative है, जो candidate है, वो election में खड़ा होता है. We give votings to them. हम लोग वोट करते हैं. कब वोट करते हैं? After the age of 18 18 साल के बाद, means after the age of 18 we give vote. We can give vote. तो हम लोग 18 साल के बाद हम लोग उनको वोट करेंगे. 18 साल एज मीन्स हमारी उम्र 18 साल होनी चाहिए. It's compulsory after age of 18 we can vote to the candidate. जिस हमने जो कैंडिडेट को वोट किया है वो जीत जाए, वो विन हो जाए, उसके बाद वो इलेक्शंस में विनर होगा. तो 5 साल के लिए वही रहेगा कैंडिडेट, और वो जो भी रूल फॉलो करेंगे वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट. वो जो रूल बना है वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट till 5 years. So here thus the democratic government is very important for all around development and right of the people In democratic government people plays an important role. In democratic government who plays an important role? Peoples. We are only playing the important roles in democratic government. Government also works for the people, and government it's work for people. Government हमारे लिए ही काम करती है. So the tenure of elected government in our country is 5 years. So I've told you that till 5 years we have to follow the rule of that government, whatever they made. So the tenure of elected government in our country is 5 years. Till 5 years. After 5 साल के बाद again we are do voting. After 5 years again we make the new government. Again we do votings and choose the candidate whatever we like. Okay. So in our country there is a democratic government. Now here communist government. Second is communist government. Democratic government कहाँ पे होगा? I'm again telling you in India, Pakistan, USA, and it's work of the people for democracy means of the people, by the people, and for the people. Now we have communist government. Communist government is found in China. I told you communist government it is found in वो government कहाँ पे होगा? In China, Cuba, North Korea. जो वो बोले that is final. Whatever they take decisions that is final, and everyone has to compulsory follow that rules. So in the communist government, in this type of governance, the importance of equality or similarity is given to all. So in this type of government, what happens? It's given equality to all and similarity is given to all. The government's working operations on the basis of communism manage the system of governance on the basis of equality and similarity. It governs on the basis of equality and similarity. In many countries of the world, governments working on the ideology of communism is same. In many countries, what happened? In many countries of the world, the governments working on ideology communism is also seen. In some countries of the world, communist government is formed through the elections. In some countries, कुछ countries में communist government form हुई है, and after it's through the elections only. So in some countries of the world, communist government is formed through elections. There are many examples of some rulers forming a government based on communist ideology. There are some rulers, they form the government based on communist ideology and becoming sole ruler. In the long run means sole ruler means एक मात्र शासक, एक ही होगा वो government चलेगा. So becoming the sole ruler in the long run. The administration and governance is done considering, administration means क्या होता है? Management. So the administration and the governance is done considering economical, ideological and intellectual equality among workers, laborers and exploited people. Now here I have told you that administration means क्या होता है? Management of governance is done considering किससे थ्रू होगा? Economical means financial, ideology means विचारधारा होती है, rules and regulations, and intellectual means बौद्धिक. इक्वलिटी होती है, उस वक्त में इक्वलिटी देख के among किसमें देखेंगे इक्वलिटी? Among workers, laborers and exploited people means जो लोग शोषण होते हैं उनके द्वारा. So exploited people also. So today, some rulers who rule individually or forcibly have left communism and adopted monarchy or dictatorships. Now we have today some rulers in that communist governments. Today some rulers who rule individually or forcibly. They rule individually and they have left communism and adopted monarchy or dictatorships. उन्होंने ये अडॉप्ट किया. Communist ideology is now here. Communist ideology is known in the world as the leftist ideology. Communist ideology को कौन क्या बोलेंगे? What is known? It is known as in the world. तो communist ideology is known in the world as the leftist ideology. Means Dabiri ideology. Okay. So it is can be asked in the one word answer also, in the fill in the blanks also. So communist ideology is known in the world as the leftist ideology, means Dabiri ideology. Now here in the communist ideology, I give one example of like a Hitler in Germany. तो क्या करता हिटलर? आपने सुना होगा उसका नाम. You have already heard about Hitler. That whatever rule he made himself only and he managed himself only. So Hitler जो भी करता था वो अपने आप ही करता था, वो अपने आप ही मैनेज करता था. So Hitler वो अपने आप से ही पूरा रूल करता था and मैनेज भी अपने आप से ही करता था. So in a communist government, you can take about example as Hitler also in Germany. Now we will study about monarchy. Children, I want to tell you one thing, that if the question was asked to you that how many types of government are there, government कितने types of government है? So there are 3 types of government: democratic government, communist government and monarchy. But if the question asks to you that how many types of government are mostly found in the world, in the world आप पे कौन से government है? So to write down, there are 4 types of government and they are democratic government, communist government, monarchy government and dictatorships. Okay, and dictatorships government is also there. Now here we will study about monarchy. Now what is monarchy? Monarchy government will found in the King England, King Victoria, जो उनकी वंशधारा चलती है वहाँ पे, जो भी किंग के बेटे तो वही रूल करता है. That is the final rule for them. So we will study about monarchy. In this type of government, any one person governs, rules as a ruler. Monarchy में क्या होता है? एक ही person rule करता है as a ruler. As a ruler, only one person rule. Generally, the title of ruler is inherited. People do not have right to choose their ruler in this type of governance. Monarchy government क्या होता है? People को चूज करने का कोई हक नहीं होता. They can't choose their representatives. जैसे हम लोग हमारे इंडिया में हम लोग खुद वोट करते हैं हमारे गवर्नमेंट चूज करने के लिए कि हमें ये गवर्नमेंट चाहिए, ये हमारे इंडिया के लिए बेस्ट गवर्नमेंट और हमारे लिए अच्छा काम करेगा, वैसे हम खुद चूज करते हैं. सो इन मोनार्की इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. पीपल्स लोगों को कोई हक नहीं होता. पीपल्स डू नॉट हैव एनी राइट टू चूज देयर गवर्नमेंट, टू चूज देयर रूलर इन दिस टाइप ऑफ गवर्नेंस. Today monarchy is seen in some countries of the world. Monarchy is seen in some country also of the world. At some places in the monarch elections are held for the namesake. सिर्फ नाम के लिए ही इलेक्शंस रखे जाते हैं, but that is final कि जो किंग होगा उसका बेटा ही रूलर होगा. जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे इंग्लैंड में है किंग विक्टोरिया, तो जो किंग विक्टोरिया उसका बेटा ही रूल करेगा. So it is final. So in monarchy the ruler takes decisions. In monarchy, the ruler takes decisions keeping himself in the center. जैसे हमारे गवर्नमेंट में पीपल्स आर इन सेंटर, गवर्नमेंट की पीपल्स इन सेंटर. डेमोक्रेसी में क्या होता है? पीपल्स आर इन सेंटर, हम लोग खुद होते हैं सेंटर में. सो इन मोनार्की व्हाट हैपेंस? द रूलर टेक्स द डिसीजंस एंड कीपिंग हिमसेल्फ इन द सेंटर. जो किंग होता है वो खुद ही सेंटर में होता है, वो जो बोले वो फाइन है. सो एंड यू कांट अगेंस्ट हिम, उसके अगेंस्ट आप लोग जा सकते नहीं हो. So in monarchy, the ruler takes the decisions, keeping himself in the center. The decisions taken by one person here is considered the final. I told you, the decisions taken by one person. जो king बोलेगा वही final होगा, and you have to follow that rule. It is compulsory for you. So emphasis is placed on the well-being and convenience of the ruler rather than people. So here, I hope monarchy you understood. It is very simple and easy also. That example you can easily take. England only, King Victoria, Britain also. Now here we will study about values of democracy. What is the value of democracy? क्यों चाहिए value? What is value of? Why there is a value of democracy. We have seen that rule is carried out at the local level, state level and national level. We have seen that the rule is carried out local level, state level and also at national level. Democracy functions for the upliftment of the living standard and well-being of the people. So here democracy functions for the democracy function. Why the democracy functions are there? So democracy functions for the upliftment means develop. To develop the people, living standard of people. To develop the living standard. People's का जो living standard है उसको develop करने के लिए. So to uplift for the upliftments of the living standards and well-being of the people and their needs are kept in the center while planning for the future. जो भी plan करना हो future के लिए, तो we keep the center planning. We keep in the center for people. So people and their needs. People की जो जरूरत होगी उन सबको सेंटर में रख के ही फाइनल किया जाता है. So जो भी डिसीजन ले वो. So people and their needs are kept in the center while planning for the future. Democratic rulers govern the government so that the people cast vote in their favor. Democratic rulers में क्या होता है? People can vote to their cast vote in their favor. So democratic rulers governs the government so that people cast votes in their favor. Democratic values are preserved on the basis of constitutions. So democratic values are preserved on the basis of constitutions. Developments and well-beings of the peoples are given importance. Developments and well-beings are given importance to the. So developments and well-being of the peoples are given importance. In democracy, the government must make plans and schemes to ensure equality, security and convenience to everybody. In democracy में क्या होता है? What's happening in democracy? The government must make plans. Government makes plans and schemes also. They make schemes also to ensure equality. To make the equality among the people. So security and convenience to everybody. We have seen the Awas Yojana. Awas Yojana is there. Student scholarship also is there in our country. So I hope the value of democracy is understood to you. Now we will study about the governments and law. What the types of laws are there? Government makes laws. So governments and laws. In this picture 15.3 you will see the goddess of justice. Figure is given to you, picture is given to you, the goddess of justice. So you will find the goddess of justice in the court. Okay? In court you will see this statue of goddess of justice. So framing of laws is the work of government. Framing of law means to prepare the laws. So framing of law is the work of government. All should follow the laws. Everyone should follow the laws. Various laws have importance place for working of government. Different types of laws have important values. So various laws have important place for working of government. Government has power to amend laws along with the implementations. Government has power to amend the laws means cancel the law. Government has power to cancel. Amend means not cancel करना law को, and implementation means follow. You have to follow. So government has power to amend laws along with your implementations means follow. People can challenge the government laws. People can, here in the democracy government, people can challenge the government laws. People लोग government के खिलाफ भी हो सकता है, लोग को खड़े होते ही हैं. So people can challenge the government laws. People can seek cooperation for court for their rights and against injustice done to them. कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि गवर्नमेंट जो रूल बना रही है वो ठीक नहीं लग रहा हमको, हम लोग क्या करेंगे, उसके खिलाफ आवाज उठा देंगे. सो वी हैव राइट. हमारे पास राइट कौन सी होती है? राइट टू इक्वालिटी, राइट टू स्पीक, right to live anywhere. We have all the right in our country. So people can seek cooperations of courts for their rights and against injustice done to them. In the context of the laws of procedure of the government, when the people feel that they are not implemented properly, वो लगे कि नहीं ये बराबर नहीं है, वो अमल बराबर नहीं हो रहा. Implemented means अमल करना, कुछ फॉलो करना. So उनको ऐसा लगे कि नहीं ये रूल फॉलो ठीक से नहीं हो रहा है. So they can raise their voice in the court. तो वो लोग अपना आवाज कहाँ से उठाएंगे, कहाँ पे उठाएंगे? कोर्ट में. अगर उनको लगे कि नहीं गवर्नमेंट जो लॉ फॉलो कर रही है वो ठीक से नहीं लग रहा है, तो they can raise their voice in the court. So the court may suggest or orders the government for various issues. The what happens then? The court may suggest करती है एंड ऑर्डर करती है गवर्नमेंट को फॉर वेरियस इश्यूज वेर एवर द नीड इज फेल्ट, जहां हमको लगे वहां पे गवर्नमेंट को वो कोर्ट ऑर्डर कर सकती है. सो इन आवर कंट्री ऑल आर इक्वल. I hope you understand this lesson. You read this lesson twice and thrice, and I will send you PDF, so you have to copy down in your notebook with a neat and plain handwriting. Thank you.